Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info.
I'll be brief. All of those on the stage. Thank you very much. That's how I wanted to start. I want to recollect what happened and how this journey of Satvik started. When we had a family get together, Satvik wanted to go for a cycling event a couple of years ago. And he's supposed to come back by lunchtime. And at 4:30 he called and said he's still waiting for his turn to take part in the event. So that's how it started, and then we felt okay. He's cycling since he was probably 1 year old, and we felt okay. His passion is showing up there. When he came back and told we are supposed to go to Velodrome and meet Dr. Maxwell sir. It's very funny that we never knew what is Velodrome till we visited Velodrome. And none of my family members know what is Velodrome. We took almost 1.5 months before we visited the Velodrome. And the day when we visited, we actually met Pasha. And we knew we made a mistake by delaying that long. We should have been there a month and a half before. And when I met Dr. Maxwell, sir, I could see the happiness, I could see the pleasure in him when he was talking about Satvik. And I saw that excitement of a child in Dr. Maxwell whenever a child was doing good. And I think that's the best thing a coach can show. And that's something very, very distinctive character I saw in Dr. Maxwell. He's more excited than us when he saw Satvik doing well. And thank you very much, sir. Frankly, as an orthopedic surgeon, I see a lot of athletes myself as a doctor, but we are not the family of athletes. We are not family of sports person. And when my son Satvik got selected into nationals, it was something a great achievement, and 100% credit to Maxwell sir and his team. There's absolutely no credit to us. We just did, as a parent, we did our duty of getting him to the Velodrome, and of course some credit to Satvik himself because he is very passionate about it. But we don't want him to take any credit. While going through this past 1.5 year, it was a small regret that we didn't knew about it much earlier. Arthur could have done wonderfully well if we started early. But now we are very happy that children of 7+ years are getting trained. I'm sure we'll see a Olympian from NCAA very soon. And before I conclude, whatever is happening from my side or Satvik's side, the strength behind us is my wife. She is the one who takes care of entire family. I mean, we expose ourselves outside, but the core of the family, the whole strength comes from her. Thank you. Thanks for this opportunity.
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.